Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OSCAL C20 PRO and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup and tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here in the step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so it's up to you. Then tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, I highly recommend to read it just by tapping on the specific link and then tap on I agree after the reading. Here we have the information about the backup, so we can check for what we want to. We can use our Google account for. We can use our 15 gigabytes of the account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And here we can manage the storage. We can check how much space we've got left. We can manage it. So for example, remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings. So to be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you avoid some charges. So to finish everything is to tap on backup now. And as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.